Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect, manners to each and everyone. You see? Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. So let's get started. Alright, now first things first. I'm going to present a video to you that I be recorded within Jamaica. Now the video shows a certain amount of police officers from within the country of Jamaica, and in the video you can hear a person saying some things about a certain amount of police officers who you can see in the video. Now based on some things that the person said in this video, I would like you to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in this video. Observe.
Intersection and stoplight here. Police them start right here, so the vehicle them and for traffic go over there, so and when the vehicle them come over with the man there right there, so them say you overtake or you obstruct traffic. So them do the taxi man and do the same thing. This man here do it. Him right here, so see him badge number here. Go in and cope, go work it out. Cause when I feel like when I make problem on road and want to make problem with people. See stoplight my approach. My approach is stoplight. Every vehicle will come around right here, so them have to come wide. Them have to come wide. See there, and me come and the vehicle come over upon me and them say me a obstruct and me a overtake. Simple thing that brother me can go court me, I'm a lawyer too.
Alright, my people. Me respect the law, me respect police, but and I really the things them what the person saying in that video there. Yeah, it sounds I mean, if a police officer or if police officers are at a certain location and if a police vehicle they're right at the corner of an intersection, then obviously motor vehicles that are going to approach that intersection will either have to go wide certain ways to go around that police vehicle. And if any police officer stop a motorist who drive a motor vehicle and give them a ticket because them overtake this and so forth, while your police service vehicle that you drive there in the corner there, so then that look away. That a if, you know. Notice me I say, you know, if, because when I look on that video there people and I real based on the things that the person I say, yeah, I mean it look away. Some people tell me anything because and I real must point out that one day, you know. Alright, now my people, on another topic now, see, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica are asking a musician who goes by the name of Silk Bass to contact detectives. You see me I say? Yeah, I got the understanding that the police within the country of Jamaica want Silk Bass to contact detectives because of at least one viral video that is circulating on social media and probably because of other things as well. You see me as my people? Anyway, so I wonder how this whole thing is going to affect Silk Bass' career, viewers and subscribers. Yes, at the end of this whole thing, I wonder how it's going to affect his career. You understand? And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what I think as well. You see? Anyways, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. See? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show a person, and in this video, you can hear the person talk about Silk Bass. See? And I want you to take notice of those letters that I can see on a part of one of the person's close viewers and subscribers. Yes, I want you to take notice. Yes, so me ask some people, now would I like you to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in this video. Alright? Look, listen and observe.
Yeah, today I'm gonna ask me how I feel about the Silk Bass situation. Brother, I'm in a business about Silk Bass, you know. Telling you straight, you know. When a business about Silk Bass, I hear me a big them up.
Yeah, you know I go and listen.
And I say I'm friend them. I'm same one say I'm friend them.
Listen.
You know what I mean? And want to Silk Bass could I reach anybody. Yeah? Anybody, cause if you're friend, brother, you could have reach me. Anybody could have reached. I'm a Bex. I tell you straight. Bex dog. You see what go on. What if I'm mother Bex, we see that reach any human being. Yeah? Worse off my own. My Bex youth but we're not business. I tell you straight, Silk Bass in a business. Yeah man, if you spread your bed hard, you lay down in the hard youth, you're a powered gunman. Anything possible for reach you. We could have hear say you're dead youth. Zane, could I hear say you're dead and that not good with the youth. I feel like that good with me. You feel like say that good would win none at all. Appear violence youth. 1,000 odd murder since the year start.
You hear that?
1,000 odd murder country gone already.
You hear that?
I'm glad them they kill your silk boss. Glad. You see what I say? And we are big, the Gulf man them. We are big on you. Just keep it peace, brother. We are big on you. Come like a bad man and respect for life again, you. We know it going on. We know people have to live. But we are big on the youth. Hold it down. The man them may push your badness. Hold it down. Yeah? We be more helpful with the resources, youth. I want to put hungry people in our community, youth. Help them out, youth. We don't strength. I want to power we have, youth. That's what I say. It's sad, youth. It's sad, man. I tell you. When I love what happened to Silk Boss. Yeah, man. I know all the people agree with me, youth. Yeah, man. And we still not push no violence. We are cry peace, youth.
Peace.
And allow the artists. About to pray the man, youth. A sound I go do every artist, youth. A sound I go do everybody. I mean, too much illegal guns there on the street. But they come like say, man, them not a choice, youth. But for roll with something. Because if you want a friend, we turn around and trick you and rob you. And kill you too. And I feel like...
Jano, my people, you hear the things them where the man say, coming like, you hear choice. Boy, me I tell you, my people, Jano, me I tell you, I respect the things them when you say, overall still, and a real, at the peace me want to see. You hear the man I say, yeah, at the peace me want to see. Me no want to hear about no retaliation, no rape, me know certain things embarrassing and all them things there. But me no want to hear no form of retaliation. Me just want to see the peace. You see me I say, the murder thing really and truly high, it shouldn't even happen at all. When it comes down to this whole situation pertaining to Silk Boss, you have different persons with different opinions and different point of views about the whole situation with people. You see me I say, some persons seems to be skeptic, you see me, when it comes down to certain things pertaining to the whole situation with Silk Boss. Now, more I listen to some things that a person said in the next video that I'm about to present to you and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think, my people. Tell me what you think.
Silk Boss lie to Jamaica and I lie to fans. Boy, I box up some. You get what I mean?
Listen to my people.
My thought is like, maybe because Joshua do the thing, Massacre do the thing, Skenga do the thing, and as according to you, you get a dream, say you're rich before 18, and you really say it not happen the way you feel like it not happen. You just feel like just create a public mystery to make people gravitate to you and make Jamaica people sorry for you. But the idea, brother, yo, you lie. You see me right now, your song them really down your bad man. Because I can remember one time I see you go live and like one of your fans text and say, then oh your car sound so nice and you're artist. You're ready to get aggressive and talk about yo me this now cutting off from my life because you see a bad road man at the end of the day, I see a poster bus fly past up on the next side. Simple mean you did that on a highway, brother. Yo, youth.
Yeah, I hear. Yeah, listen.
You need to change up your style. Because right now where I try, you only gonna make Jamaica people turn against you because the NID them gonna find us say a liar tell Batman. You see me? Because maybe true you say Josh them are going with anything and skeng, you don't feel like say yo, you have to do this with Josh there and this some skeng there. Wait on your turn, brother. Don't force it and that you are the. Now I tell you because you create a public mystery for people gravitate to you, feel sorry for you and for your thing up there, but how long it gonna last? You see me? Big man, you say are your woman a manager. You get what I mean? You say you're woman and manager. So if a woman and manager, you have so much money out there, so if you start about where you're safe, you go buy your 5 Series Beamer, your friend them set you up and make you get robbed. A liar tell brother. Either them box is either you disrespect somebody or you line it up to get couple box. You get what I mean? Yeah, if people feel sorry for you and feel like, yeah, you get disrespect on them something there. Be a liar tell. Silk Boss and be a liar tell. you need to come forward and make Jamaica people know what I want. Even though you come forward and I be an idiot to say a chat. Because you talk about say, you did see this in a year or so. And when Whitford asked, say, if you did see it coming, you say, no man, no nothing until it happen. You see me, so, yo, just be real, yo, because you're a good artist, you write some good song, but the end of the day, you cheat the game. Yeah, you cheat the game, big man thing. And you need to come forward and make Jamaica know the truth. Because I know the truth spit out it. You see me? The truth spit out it, so. That's all Jamaica people want to find out, man, the truth.
Those are some interesting opinions, viewers and subscribers. Quite interesting opinions. Point of views. See me I say, yeah, you want to say about Costa Boss? I wonder if you know which video I talk about with people, because I think I know which video I talk about, you know. See? But I don't really know about people. What if this whole thing might not be as a lot of persons think it is? What if? What if? Wow. That's something to really think about. Anyways, my people, I have one more video I'm going to present to you. Now, I listen to some things that a person said about the Silk Boss in this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. You can also let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in this video. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe. Yeah, look, listen, and observe.
On a salt like Elsha Beach, me can tell you that because when you do this, we tarnish the youth career. But sorry, the script flip. You hear that? It flip back right on.
Flip.
You never know, sir. I saw people would have come out and attack about the fucker we're going. Me can tell you this too. Anybody will rejoice about Silk Boss getting beat up. You know no love in our heart. You hear that?
Thumbs up for that.
You know no love in our heart, youth.
Straight.
And if me and Silk Boss was friend, I would jump off. And I see a thing like that happen to him, I still not rejoice. Because
Real.
from your link with gangster, anything will happen.
Real.
You hear me tell you? Straight. I see how some man up on the internet and make meme out tight and them thing them feel like say yo, I something good go on. Yo, mine.
Alright.
Mine. Because here we go on. When something not their phone the doorstep, you know. You know talk and you ray and you jump about it, but it's when it reach a phone the doorstep. You never know say I saw it hurtful.
Alright.
You hear me tell you? Me nah rejoice pan no youth downfall.
Straight.
And that me I tell you.
Straight, straight.
No man will go jail. No man will dead.
Straight.
No man will get beat up. No man will them car get thief. No man will them house burn down. Me nah rejoice pan that.
Straight.
You hear me tell you? Because all of that I can reach me too. Straight. Youth. Uno na no love. And Silk Boss they don't tell you no. But one thing me can say, charge your badness, uno salt like Elsha Beach. Me I tell you.
Jano, may I tell you? Hey, me said that person that said some things I really and truly agree with. Anytime somebody get hurt or them downfall, like certain things happen, me can't find myself and say, yes, and that the fear man, wait, me can't do that, you know. And here next thing again too, you see, with certain things about Silk Boss, me see memes for real, you know, my people. You see me, I say, me don't want to repeat some of the things them, when me see, you see me? And not only memes, you know, my people, you know, so me see videos on social media where people say some things that can be considered as threats. See me, I say, people are talk about golf, people are talk about, yo, some things, it's like me, I say, no man, them are sitting enough of them on social media. See? Me see some man post videos on social media I definitely a talk about pure badness in my point of view. I mean, I said, no man. Me not even look on them the video there. Because in my point of view, based on some things when me hear those persons are said, you know, they might incriminate themselves. And me now play a role in a that. Not time for that. Anyways, I ask me I left it now. Let me know what I think about the things that I talked to you about in this video and those videos that I presented to you. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, you see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.